Hello YouTube, today I'm going to unbox Philips Easylife vacuum cleaner. The model number is FC8130. And as you can see, we got some bags to it and a HEPA filter. Yes, let's just do this. And this is my Victorinox I'm going to open it with. We chose this vacuum cleaner because of the HEPA filter. Our family has allergies, so and it's a washable HEPA filter, so it can last longer. There's the muzzle, I think it's called. Yes. Looks okay. And we also chose it because we have hardwood floors, and it was ideal to these floors with this mouthpiece. That's the one to hardwood floors. And this must be to the carpet floors.
Det er ikke en lang slange. Den fortsætter. Det ser længere ud. Okay. Hov.
There's some pieces here also. And the manual. To the difficult places, like the cracks in the sofa. I don't know what this is for, but I'll find out. And to the machine itself, oh, it's a little bit heavy. It's red, and there's nothing more in the box.
What is your first impressions?
It looks okay. It has some different shades of red and regulating button which you can slide.
Yes. It's nice with a button for the cord.
Yes, that's right. We didn't have that on the last vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
It uses a 3-liter bag, and it has a cord of 9 meters.
Oh.
So
That's a lot.
That's a lot of cord. And it has a suction of 400 watts, which is pretty nice.
Yes.
The max is 500, I heard in the shop.
Shop?
And where we bought the...
But it's 2000 and...
Yeah, it has a total of 2000 watts.
Okay.
That's about what I had to say for today.
What about the next video?
Yeah, I'm going to make a review of it when I have used it in a while.
Subscribe if you want to see more.
You want to see more. Thank you, YouTube, and have a nice day.